Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
CDK7 questions get easy fast when you match the claim to the biology, then ask which choice actually supports faster cell cycle progression. Forming the CDK7 complex promotes cell cycle progression, so evidence should link more CDK7 activity with more dividing cells, not less activity or cells slowing down. Now connect that to cancer. Cancer is basically uncontrolled cell division, so if increased CDK7 expression shows up in certain cancers, that supports CDK7 helping push the cycle forward. That makes option D the support statement because higher CDK7 lines up with excessive proliferation, while the other choices either decrease CDK7 or suggest slowing. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given facts, then check each step before calling something supportive.